Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have got a sneaky peek from the lovely Pam over at Pam Diamond Painting, and so I actually cannot wait to get this open and get a good look at it myself and get to share it with you. So the main thing that I know about this so far is that it is a completely different style to what I would normally do, a new artist to me, but yeah, I'm very excited. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. I will start by going through the kit for those of you that haven't seen a Pam diamond painting kit before. Okay, so in here we've got a lovely kit. It is a kit plus, I guess I would say. So we've got some metal tweezers. We have got a diamond painting pen. It has got a little bit of sparkle in it. I don't know if that shows up on camera. It has got a single brass tip. We have then got our multi-placers in 3, 6 and 9. I'm not a huge fan of these multi-placers, but they are perfectly serviceable. I'm just fussy. They will definitely, if you've not tried multi-placing before, this is a good place to start. We've got our moss for boat, very nice. It's got a nice little spout for pouring out. We've got 2 plates of pink wax in a little caddy. I do love these, they keep all the cat hair off your wax. We've got a squishy that goes on your pen to save your fingers, give you a little bit more comfort when you're working. And then we've got some washi tape, and I've had this one before, which is good because I really like it. It's always a random washi tape that you get, and I'm always grateful. We've also got in here a little bonus goodie, and this is a little teeny tiny, let's get you out there. So we've got a little cover minder here that is a tiny little diamond painting tray, but really it would be brilliant to use as a trash tray. So just keep it on the side. You can pop your little any diamonds, like anything like this that you get that's not quite perfect, you just chuck in there. And a little M&M cover minder, love it. So I shall pop that back onto there so I don't lose it. But here is our canvas. So this is from an artist called Lawrence, I'm going to say Ycay, it might be Ycay. I'll pop his name on screen. And this is a biggie, so I'm going to zoom you out a little bit, if we can get this. Right, okay. I'm going to have to move this around a little bit so that you can see it properly. But let's get to the drills and things first. So we have got here an image of the picture. These are our stickers. This whole thing is a sticker sheet, so it's great. So you can cut this out, you can put it in your logbook, and you've got all of your labels there for your diamonds. There are 46 colours. As I said, it's in, did I say? It's in round. And we have got 4 specials by the looks of that. So let's go in and have a look at these diamonds. It's going to be a bit crinkly for a while. Oh, this is a big package of diamonds. Another little sheet in there, which is nice. If you want to store your diamond paintings separate from your drills, it's nice that you get a picture in with your drills as well. And you can go through and check exactly what you've got. This also gives you the quantity of how many of each drill you've got. So I know that in this there are, brace yourself, 820, which is a blue. We've got 16,358 of those. And 939, which is your darkest navy, 14,969. Those are your big numbers. We have got no 310. Interesting. I like that. I like the use of the 939 instead of the 310. Just personal preference, but let me see if I can find these specials. I can see one just there. We've got a Palm Dust. Lovely, 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 in a 995. Can have lots of those, that's lovely. Oh, I can see an AB and another AB. We've got a 996 blue AB there, very nice. I spotted a red there, what was that? We've got a 666 round AB. So it's interesting that we've got both. We've got 666, non-AB and AB. So if anyone hadn't seen the difference before, you can really tell the difference there. And that should mean that they've really thought about where these drills are being placed on the canvas, because they've not just replaced all the 666 with the dust drills. There's our two big bags. My goodness. Right, am I still looking for one more? I'm looking for another one. It's another blue, I think. Yeah, aha, there it is. That is a 931 in a dust. Lovely, I like those a lot. Very happy. Round drills, obviously you have far less issues with than square drills anyway, so that's never really an issue in terms of quality, but these look really, really nice. So yeah, 46 colours with the 4 specials. Nice. So, like I said, there's our picture, there's our stickers. Now let's see if we can't get you to have a better look at this canvas. So the canvas itself, I probably should have mentioned this by now, is called Floating Islands in the Sky. I really like it. It's not like anything else that I've got. I love these big bold flowers here anchoring you in the foreground, and then it just goes off into space. Let's move that light out of the way. Off into space where we've got these planets and clouds and stars. So yeah, it's going to be so lovely. I'm very, very excited to get to work on this. As with all PAM canvases, we have got a felt back. It's a lovely canvas. It is poured glue. We've got a serged scalloped edge. We've got 2 legends top and bottom, and in this case the cover on the drills is in fact split in the middle, which I quite like, because that means that you have the option of starting right in the middle of the painting if you want and working out from the middle. So it is, you know, not a small canvas. It is a 70 by 70, but it doesn't fill me with dread the way that some canvases do. I will bring you down so that you can have a look. You can see just how clear the symbols are on the canvas. We've got alphanumeric with just a handful of symbols thrown in there. Nothing more complicated than some math symbols, some music notes. Nothing very difficult at all. It all looks incredibly clear. We've got some nice big chunks of colour blocking, and then where it's needed, a little bit more variety. So yeah, I like this one. I like it a lot. Let's see what those special drills are going to represent for us. So we've got the single music note is the red, the 666. Let's see, is that going to be up in the sky somewhere? Where's it going? That is interesting. Do you know what? I'm not seeing it anywhere. I'm clearly having a moment. You lot are probably screaming at the telly, being like, it's right there. I can see one. Oh, silly woman. Right. Okay, it's down in these lovely flowers at the front. That's where we're going to see it. So here, obviously, all of these single music notes. That's going to be the 666 AB. We've then got the tick symbol or a check mark, depending upon where you're from. So that's here. That is going to give us our 996. Where's that going? We've got a I'm wondering, I'm not seeing a black dot. Okay, there is a little discrepancy here in that we've got a white dot symbol here, but on the canvas it is in fact a black dot because I can't see it's not a black dot anywhere else. So, but that's fine. Now that I've figured that out, that's not a problem. So we've got, that's going to be our blue. We've got the double music note. Where's that one going? So it looks like a lot of the sparkle is going to be down in this bottom area, which is nice because I think, again, it will kind of really anchor the image. Where is the two? Okay, I've spotted one or a couple of them there. So it's going to be a much paler blue. I wonder if we're going to get more of it up the top, perhaps. Maybe there was only a little bit of it. Yeah, I'm not seeing it anywhere else. There's just a tiny sprinkling of it. There's probably more that I haven't found. And yeah, so that's the four. There's the red that's going to the flowers, and then this, let's move you out again a little bit. Yeah, all this water here is going to be sparkly and spangly. I might, just wondering about these white areas here, which is the letter Y, which is 3072, and very pale lilac 209. I'm wondering about maybe putting some dust drills into that section as well, where the light's hitting. But yeah, on the whole, I'm very happy. I think it's going to be really fun to work on, and yeah, just something really, really different, which is one of the things that I'm starting to look for, because I realised that so many of my diamond paintings were, you know, pretty ladies, cute animals, and I'm now starting to look for things that are a bit different, just challenging myself a little bit and trying to broaden my horizons in terms of the sort of artwork that I enjoy. So this is, as I say, Lawrence R Ycay. He's a digital artist. I will link to this on Pam's site should you wish to go and grab it for yourself. This will of course be going now into my decision-making app as to which one of my Pam canvases I'm going to work on for the month of September, because that is the hashtag Pam Party event. So if anybody out there has got a canvas from Pam or is expecting one before the 1st of September and wants to join in, do get in touch. We are going to be celebrating my birthday and Pam's by spending the whole month working on canvases from her store. Doesn't matter if it's new or old. If you've done a tiny section and then put it to one side and haven't worked on it for ages, that's completely fine. You do not have to finish your canvas throughout the month, but we will want to see progress, obviously, and there are some amazing prizes available. I will link up to my video wherein I talk a little bit more about the event, and obviously as we get closer to September I will be talking about it even more. So I don't know that there's much more for me to say today. I am going to sit on my hands so that I don't kit this one up, because I'm in the middle of a big project already. I need to get that done first. But next month will be a month of working on canvases from Pam. And like I say, I'm not sure which one I'm going to work on yet, but I will definitely put this one in the running. And if I don't work on it in September, it's definitely going to be close to the top of that list for being worked on in the next time I'm looking for a fresh start, because this is stunning. So excited. So thank you very much for joining me. Let me know your thoughts down below. Are you familiar with this artist's work? Is this the kind of canvas that you would consider? I think there's a lot of options with this one in terms of where it would fit on display in a house. It speaks to kind of alternative vibes, maybe a little bit of the sort of techno scene even. I'm probably way off the mark, but that's kind of how I'm interpreting it. And art is subjective. So let me know what you think down below. I'm going to leave this here because I'm starting to waffle. Nothing new there. Thank you to all of you who support me over on Patreon and here as channel members. Their names will appear at the end of this video. If you would like to join them and get your name on the screen, get some stickers from me, maybe even get a birthday box if you join at the higher level. It is from just 99p per month and the links are down below. Links for this canvas and for Pam will also be down below, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay crafty!